What's up, you SOFI shareholders and moneymakers? Welcome back to the channel. There is some great update for SOFI that I wanted to share with you in this video. As you already know, SOFI has been struggling a lot more in terms of the price point. We have seen the price point of $24.65 as 52 weeks high, and the lowest we saw below $5, $4.82. However, we may hear some sort of reverse split from SOFI very soon. I want to cover 6 things for SOFI stocks investors to know. So if you're a shareholder, right now click on the like button so this video can reach to more and more people. If you are a shareholder, you also want to click on the subscribe to this channel because I'll be keeping you posted with SOFI in a timely manner. We'll be covering a ton more, including this reverse split when they have this meeting coming up for them on July 12th, what you should be looking out for, what 6 things that you want to know, what SOFI is doing as a stock. The next thing is we'll talk about the volume and some of the pointers I want to further look into and share with you the moving average, RSI, and technical pointers. And last but not the least, we are going to talk about the price prediction for SOFI, what SOFI can deliver in terms of the price point to their shareholders in next 12 months. We'll look further into the targets and price prediction from the analysts as well. So stay tuned, watch the full video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's just dive into it. Now SOFI, as I've been explaining, it has been struggling on the last trading session, which was on Friday. I agree that Nasdaq was down 3.52%, S&P almost 3%, Dow Jones 2.73%. SOFI struggled once again, 2.78%. I agree that it did not really go down so deep, but it was pretty down. In general, 5 days we are down 16%, 1 month we are down 12%. For 6 months, we are down 59.26%. So we saw the price point of $14.58 and we were at $5.94. Not only that, we saw below $5 price point just before a few days. So it's indeed has not been a great year for SOFI just yet. Year to date, we are seeing 62% down. 1 year, we are seeing 72% down. Now, if you take a look at this chart, we see that there is a sine and or cosine wave in general. We go back up to $25, we go back down. Then we go back again about 20, we go back down. We go once again back about 20, we go back down. And then this time around, we went back way too down. So is it coming back up? It's a $5.44 billion market cap company at the moment. Now, what you want to know before looking into anything else is this particular article. SOFI reverse stock split, 6 things for SOFI stock investors to know. Shareholder will vote on potential reverse stock split at the shareholder annual meeting on July 12th. SOFI has stated that potential split would reduce the outstanding shares by the ratio of 1 to 2 or 1 for 10. Now, the shares of SOFI stocks are down 55% as we mentioned year to date. Now, what this means is they're in full focus for the proxy statement revealed that the company may be thinking about a reverse stock split. July 12th annual shareholder meeting, investors will be allowed to vote on whether or not to grant the SOFI's board power to enact a reverse split over the next year. In my opinion, that is likely to be happening, that they will get the vote for reverse split, and I'll cover why. To be clear, shareholders are not voting to enact reverse stock splits now, but rather the power to grant SOFI board directors for discretionary authority to do so. Now, reverse split is when the company reduces the number of outstanding shares in order to boost the stock price. Now, in other words, if it does 1 for 2, which means the stock price will be 12. If they do 1 to 10, the stock price will be 60. If the stock is trading around $6, as I just explained. Now, let's take a look. Envision that you own SOFI shares trading at $6. After 1 for 2 reverse split, the price will be $12, and now you would only have one share for two shares that you had, which means you're not losing any value, you're just getting the fraction of the stocks based on what the split is for. In this case, reverse split is for. However, the market capitalization, everything remains the same. The market value, market cap does not change. It will be still around 5.44 billion if the stock was still trading at $5.94. So you want to keep that in mind. Now, why the reverse split? Because SOFI has disclosed that there is a potential reverse split would reduce the outstanding shares by a ratio of 1 to 2 or 1 to 10 and in between. The fintech company, as you already know, it's financial technology fintech company. They have listed three main reasons for the stock split. The first one is to appeal more investors. SOFI notes that the higher stock price may make it more attractive to brokerage or institutional investors that are wary of low price stock. Higher price stock, and once again, it can become official penny stock if it goes below $5. Similar to the first reason, SOFI believes that the reverse stock split will improve the perception of the SOFI common stock as an investment security. The third one is that the increased stock price may attract more talent and partnerships that SOFI thinks. Potential hires at SOFI will view the low stock price as a negative indicator. Yes and no, it depends upon the stock, number of stock that they allot to their employees, so on and so forth. Finally, it should be noted rather, that SOFI has not confirmed a reverse split yet. However, they're thinking about it. On July 12th shareholder meeting, they will be getting the power or vote based on what the shareholders decide. Now, dear SOFI fans, mark down your calendar for July 12th because there will be some fluctuation based on the reverse split. People may speculate. I'll keep you posted, which is why you want to click the like button so this video can reach to more and more people. Also, you want to do your own due diligence and analysis because this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing the research, the analysis that I've done, hoping you can make informed financial decision. Now, the company may want to vote that. In that matter, nothing is set in a stone, but this will further legitimize its shares that you want to note about. This article talks about a ton more other stuff, but the point is you want to note down the July 12th. Now, what SOFI is doing at the moment? $5.94, down 2.78%. After hours, it went 2 cents up, which is up plus 0.34%. Not really a lot. Average volume 49.9 million, almost 50 million, with the current volume that we saw on Friday, 37.5 million. Now, if you take a look at 1 year target, $10.96, I believe it is going to get a little bit higher before even the stock split, before July 12th, before the annual shareholder meeting, so on and so forth. So you want to note that down. If you take a look at the May targets, we see that the analysts are thinking 6 saying hold, 3 are saying buy, 4 are saying a strong buy with the average of $10.96. Now, if you take a look at what's going on in terms of the volume, you want to remember that their moving volume, average volume is 49.9 or 50 mil. What we are looking at right now is 37.4, 35.4, 30 million. So the volume is on the lower side, at least lower than the average volume. However, the price point, if you take a look, it went to 482, quickly jumped back up and went pretty close to $8.04. From $8.04, we saw once again close to $5, and then it started going sort of between $5 and $6. It has stuck for a long time. So you want to note that because this is not the first time that it went to $5. In the past, we had seen that it was $5, $6, and it was quickly getting back up and running. However, in this situation, the market is a bit different because it is going down and down and down. I do believe that what SOFI is trying is not to become a penny stock. Otherwise, it'll be in a very different zone. Because think about penny stocks, they have low reputation, they are more risky in nature, they fluctuate a ton more, and they attract lower and lower institutional buyers. So I do agree with the strategy that SOFI, for whatever reason, whether it's the entire market or the SOFI itself, they do not really want to become a penny stock. Now, if you take a look at this, you can see that we had seen a pretty downturn in SOFI. Right now, it is looking $7.08 in terms of the moving average, whereas the stock price is $5.94. Now, if you take a look at the overall RSI, we look at the RSI of 38, which is looking pretty healthy to me. It looks like it's a more of an oversold condition stock at the moment. Now, if I wanted to quickly show you, if you do year to date, and if I zoom out this chart, you should be able to see that it is a sine or cosine wave. So from this point, it was a cosine wave, went back up, went back down, and went back up once again. And it quickly started going down and down and down, started making lower and lower and lower lows, and lower and lower and lower highs. Now, what you want to think when you think about this chart is what is the price prediction, whether this is an opportunity or it's a real slump into the stock. Now, one thing for sure, that the market did not really have a great luck just to get back into the green zone overall stock market. And SOFI is not an exception. It suffered with the market. It suffered as an individual stock as well as the entire stock market. But let's take a look what the analysts are saying. The price prediction from Analyst is right here. I like TipRanks, and TipRanks has done a great job for the most part in terms of the price targets that I keep looking into, and I try to gauge what I personally think. You do your own due diligence and you think what you think, but here is what TipRanks is talking about. While we are at $6 give or take, the price prediction average from the Analyst is $10.23, which is more than 72% upside from the current price point. All 7, there are 11 rating, 7 are saying a buy, 4 are saying a hold, and no one is saying a sell. Even if take a look at the lowest price prediction from the Analyst, it looks like $7, which is $1.06 more than the price point at the moment. So it's a win-win condition. Average price point $10.23. The highest is $20, which is more than 3x than the current price point. You want to keep that in mind. However, the smart score is not looking super great. Smart score is more of a 7, which is neutral. I believe that 8 and 9 and 10 is something I want to look in terms of the smart score, which is when you start looking into the green zone. Right now, we are more on the edge of hold versus buy. Now, we want to go into the buy situation or the neutral situation. From neutral, we want to go into the bullish zone, which is we are not there yet. But that could be an opportunity, and things can change as the market changes its momentum and sentiment. Now, take a look at analyst forecast, moderate buy. Bloggers are bullish, of course. Hedge funds are decreasing their overall holding. The retail investors' outlook is negative, whereas news sentiment is neutral. Now, 12th July is the key date once again. If you own SOFI stock, write down in the comment section below. If you're a shareholder, click on the like button. And if you really want to keep yourself up to date and posted with the latest and greatest SOFI information, hit on the like button. Not just SOFI. We talk a ton about many other stocks, including NEO, Tesla. We talk about penny stocks as well, including CYBL, ILUS, so on and so forth. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.